Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm fine, and you, Antonia?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
Good to hear that.
So did you find the link easily?
Yes.
But I don't know, students, they are not joining yet.
Yeah, they say there is some problem. Good
Did
afternoon.
they say that? Is
What?
there a problem with joining the meeting?
Not this meeting. Before there, I have before this lab. There is a problem with some
Okay.
event.
So, because I posted the Zoom links here, so I think all of you will be able to see that. Don't know why students, I think I need to send them a message that come for the meeting.
Hello, miss. We can't hear your voice.
Yeah, miss, you're muted.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
Good evening. I'm fine. How are you?
Good.
Fine,
So
Miss
today is our first class. So there should be around 21 participants in the meeting, but we have only 10 now, including me. So now it's 4 p.m. already. So let's start the meeting, and the
I
students.
have a
will-
question, please. Do we have to
Yes.
share something because I'm using my iPad, not my laptop?
Yeah, you need to share.
Okay.
Please turn on your laptop, and then you guys have MATLAB installed in your laptop already?
We can use online version?
You can use, but then it will be sometime maybe problem with your internet. Sometime you can lose your data. Something can happen. So I would recommend you to install it in your laptop.
I didn't uninstall it. I will install it
Yeah,
later.
try to install because it's easy.
Okay.
Yes, Manar, what happened? Okay, it's fine, but you need to take the lecture. So first of all, let me tell you here, if you go to EE341 Moodle, so here is the announcement section, okay? And then the Zoom links are here, and every time you have to follow this link to join the meeting. I will not post any other link for the meetings. Each time on the class on Thursday, this time your section is section 2, you have to click this link and then you will be able to join the meeting, okay? No further links will be posted, okay? And then here recorded lectures for your section. I will record my first lecture here, and then you see I had a class with section 1, and then the recorded video is here, okay? And your class is today, so tomorrow your lecture will be available here, okay? I will post it tomorrow. So this is understood to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, and
Yes.
then yeah, because every time the different professors, they are posting different links, but I will be using only this link, okay? Then here you see submission folder for the report for section 1 and 3 I created here, and your lab is today, so your deadline will be a bit extended than section 1 and 3. So your link is here. If you click this link, and okay, I cannot upload, but this link will be shown to you. You have to put a file here, okay? I will extend it for 3 days because at the moment it's showing 2 days and 7 hours. So I will extend hours here, okay? 14 more hours here. So this is for your submission, and then let's come here. So if you can see here, you can see creating MATLAB online account instructions. And here you can see this is the link for, these are the instructions to create MATLAB online link, okay? Just follow these instructions and you will be able to make an online account. And if you click this link, then it will take you to your online account, okay? And then from here, get MATLAB and you will be able to install it. Then video instructions to install MATLAB. So if you click this, it will give you the video instructions to install MATLAB in your PC, okay? Then if you click this folder, you will have all your material, which I will teach in the class. You will all have all that material here, okay? And each time, for example, the example, we will do the same examples today for you. So you can fetch those examples from here, okay? Then, and today lecture slides are already here, okay? Then if you go down here, this is assessment is already uploaded here. So what you have to do is click it. It will be downloaded to your laptop, and then you will do the code, and then you will submit it. Okay, I don't need any report from you, but the code. Then these are all the instructions.
From where you got this lab assessment?
Yes.
From where you got this lab assessment page?
This here. If you go to the Moodle 341, and if you go to this week, 3rd October to 9 October, and if you go here, lab report submission folders. This is for section 1 and 3, and then this is for section 2. Then click this. You will see that here, because okay, I switch it to a student mode, because then so again I cannot see it, but it will show to you to put the file here. Can you open it? What is shown to you?
I will share my screen.
Yeah. Share your screen. Okay, can you go down? Okay, you didn't get the folder. Okay. So I will fix this. Okay, I will fix this issue. But you can see the assessment here, lab 1 assessment. This is the file which you will upload. Okay.
Okay.
But I will create this link again.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So close this. So I share my screen again. So I will fix this soon, and then I will let you know. So then this is this, and let's start our lecture now. Okay, so today we have an introductory lab for 341 communication systems, and you guys are already familiar with signal and system, and I am hoping that you will be doing all the work with me, because I will be teaching you from very basic level, but I need your response also. Okay, so I will really appreciate if the students are working with me, because I will be checking your work in the middle of the lab. So if some student is not able to share me or show me their work, then they will not, their marks will be deducted. I will show you how I put the grading scheme for your class. So yeah, the total lab is actually composed of 15% of the total score of the course. The theory course is 85%, and then the lab exam is 5%, and then lab report submission is 10%. So total 15% you will get from the lab. Okay. Then how I divided the labs. For example, this 10% is 8 labs. So 8 lab reports you have to submit it, and then you will get each lab report. Each lab report will have 3 grading criteria. Okay, lab report. Actually, it's code. One is pre-lab. I will give some questions. Then number 2 is class participation, and number 3 is code submission. So 2 marks for the pre-lab, 4 marks for the class participation, and 4 marks for the lab report, total 10 marks. Okay, understand? If some student is not able to share me their screen, and I am calling the name, because I will be randomly choosing you guys to ask about your work. So if you are not able to do that, then I will be deducting this 4 marks straight away to 0. This will go to 0. Then submission is by the Moodle always, and only submission by Moodle. No email submission is accepted. If you lose the time and you are not able to follow the time of the submission, then I will not accept any submission by email. Okay, then you will be having 3 days for the report submission. Okay, and then late submission is not accepted, because then the Moodle link will close. And then after that you will not be able to see that. Then if a student is absent, then they will not get this 4 marks of screen sharing and class participation. Okay, and their lab will be graded from 6 out of 10. Okay, then if the 2 reports are similar, you will get 0 marks, and then there will be no compromise on this, because it's just you have to write the code which I will be teaching you during the class. So you have to find some ways to make it different. For example, you can change the comments. You can try to do anything which can differentiate your lab from the others. Okay.
Miss, I have a question about the lab assessment. It's an MLX format.
Yes,
so
MLX.
So it's not working with my laptop. So
Should
what am I
work.
supposed to do?
Share me your screen. Share me your screen.
Just 1 second, please.
Yes. So, okay, I go further if you have time, if you have long time. So, okay, you can do it later. You can share your screen later. Okay, then I hope that you are all already familiar with the MATLAB environment. But if you are not, then I tell you that this is the current directory of your MATLAB, because here it will show that where your file is saved. This will be the folder where your file will be saved. And then this is the workspace. All the stuff you will do here, it will be the variables will be saved here. Then this is the history, and then this is the command window. Okay. So if I okay, then please open your MATLAB in your laptop.
Can I share
This
my
is the
screen
MATLAB.
now about the assessment?
Sorry.
Can I share my my
Yes.
screen
Yes.
about the assessment now?
Yeah. Yeah. Share me.
This one.
Download it. Yes. Show me your MATLAB. Where is the MATLAB?
My MATLAB here.
Okay, so this is online. Your okay. Give me your control.
Approve. Okay.
So okay.
Miss,
Yes.
it's will open directly the application, MATLAB application, right?
Yes, it directly opens the MATLAB application. Yes, that's right. So you have to take it from the
Download, miss.
yeah, from the download.
From download.
You have to take from the download. So I don't know. So, but where is the download?
Up.
Upload, miss.
Ah, yeah, this one. Okay. Actually, I don't use the MATLAB online. So from the downloads, yes, from here. And then this.
The same. Yes.
They are same. Okay, open the first
Okay.
one.
Oh,
So this
okay.
is open. And then you can see that this is the assessment. I will talk about it later.
Okay.
Okay.
After we solve, how can we submit it?
Yeah, I will.
You will give us. Okay.
Yeah. So yes. Okay, I share my screen. So I opened this MATLAB because I used MATLAB application in my laptop. So we will do another new file. This is the assessment. Okay. Actually, I did some examples here. So I will just delete the things from here so that and we will redo all of these. Okay, and then I will save as. This is for section 2. Okay. So if I show you MATLAB, so for example, if I close this and I close this also. Wait a second. Yeah. Okay, so you see that this is the command window. Okay, so this whole window is the command window. Okay, then this is the examples here we will be coming, right? And then here, this is the current folder, and then here the workspace. This is the history. Here all the history will come. So anything you will write here, for example, if I clear all the drawing, so okay. So for example, if I write A is equals to 5, so it will come here. B is equals to 6, and answer is equals to 2 multiplied by A plus 5 multiplied by B. Okay, my answer will be 40. So all this work, okay, I am solving this here. All these variables, they are saved here. A is equals to 5. See, I defined A as 5. B I defined as 6, and then answer becomes 40. So it will save all these variables here. If you double click them, you will be able to see here. Okay, the value of A is 5. Okay, and then if you write CLC here, so it will clear all this work. Okay, are you following me? So
Yes.
if I write CLC and then click, it will clear all the, but you see my work is still saved here. Okay, what I have to do to clear this, just write clear. This will clear this history also. See, now these things are gone. Now, for example, if I write, if I want to get the history again, I have to click the up arrow on my laptop, and then you see all the history is coming here, which I did today. 2 plus 2, this I did, and today I did actually this. A is equals to 5. This is the previous history which I did, but this is today history, which is it's here. So, for example, now this is here. Okay, so if I write clear here, this will not clear this window. Okay, see, this clear is still here. Clear all. So this will not clear this because clear is used for, but if I write CLC, it will clear this window. Okay, these are the small shortcuts. Now I saw one thing here, that I was writing anything in the command window, and then if I was closing it, or if I was even writing CLC, I was not able to save my data, right? For that, I need a new M file. M file is the editor of MATLAB. Here you can save your data, you can write your code, whatever you want to write. For example, this is not the right way to write in the MATLAB. But for example, if I write A is equals to 2, B is equals to 5, B is equals to 5, like B is equals to 3, okay. And then C is equals to 3 multiplied by A plus 5 multiplied by 6. So this I will write here, and then I have to run it, then I will get my answer, and then I have to save it also. For example, I have to save it, for example, lab work or whatever, lab work, and then there should be no space between the work, okay, .m, and then if I save, this will go here. So this come here. Now my data is saved, and then you see all the answers are coming here in the command window. Okay, so the editor is useful because you can write your code, you can save your code, and also you can track errors. If I write, for example, some error here, if for example I didn't write the operator, now MATLAB will give me error for that. See, it gave me error. Now I can track my error. Where is this error? It will show that this is in the line number 4. Here, line number 4, there is error. Line number 4 is here. And then I can see, okay, what is the error? Oh, then I will realize, okay, I didn't put the multiple operator here. Then again, I will run the code, and then, okay, My error is now removed. So this is the benefit of editor. But for today's work, we will not be using this because this is an old method of writing the code. Nowadays, we are writing in MLX. Okay. MLX is the new code editor. It gives you the opportunity to write the code as well as the text at the same time. For example, I am your lab instructor. I can write here, and I can write here also printf I am your lab instructor. So this is, so if I run it, okay, this f printf, okay. So you see, this is the text, but MATLAB, if I write this in the code, MATLAB will not recognize it. It will give me error for that. But there is a way to write the code. I have to write the command, okay, proper command, the fprintf, and then when I run the code, so here the answer is coming. You get the idea?
Yes.
So, yes, okay. So you have to make your connection stable, because you have to overcome all these problems, because then you will be, I mean, if I randomly say your name and then you are not active, you are not listening to me, then I will be thinking, okay, you are not even attentive, you are not even following me. So you have to, I mean, you have to, because this is online teaching, and then you have to clear your problems with yourself, okay? Yeah, you're listening, but I don't know if you are following or not. I need you to follow me also, not only listen. Because this is lab work, if you will not follow what I am doing, you will not understand anything. I will speak and finish, but you will not understand anything at the end. So it will be wastage. So I want you to learn. Okay? And follow me, and I will be checking your work also. Okay, so see this one. Okay, so I just told you all about this. This is workspace, this is command history. By up arrow, you can get this. And then this is command window. Here you will write everything, but you will not be able to save anything. So this is the current folder, okay? So managing the command window with CLC. Can anyone tell me what CLC does? Anyone?
Clear the page, but not the memory, not the variables.
Yes, clears the command window.
Command
Okay,
window.
yeah, good. It clears all the input and outputs from the command window display, but they are saved in the memory. Yes. You need, if you're using the KCST account, then you don't need the your license. Okay, 1 minute, I show you this. Where is the chat? Hamad, no, what's your name? Sorry. Hamad, yes. So Hamad, if you go here in the Moodle, and if you try to open this page, 341, Hamad, are you listening to me? Hamad.
I think I ask you, Miss. My name is
Yes.
Mais Ahmed.
Mais Ahmad. Okay, okay, yes. So if you go here, are you installing the MATLAB? You're
Yeah.
installing, or okay. So if you go here, online link, then if you click this one, and then here, from here you will get, first of all, you have to log in. First, and then from here you have to get the MATLAB. And then you will not need any license. Sorry?
I finished login, then I downloaded, then they said they want the license.
I don't think, okay, activate your MATLAB online first. Is your MATLAB online active?
Yeah,
So it should not be any problem. Because
don't
I installed it with, you see, install MATLAB in your computer. Did you do this? Did you do
yes,
this?
I do this. Yes.
So can you share me your screen?
ميس الماتلاب لازم يكون من اكونتك الجامعي.
إيه بأكونت الجامعي أنا حاطة.
Share your screen.
Okay, the last, okay, no, okay. Can you see, Miss?
Yes. Select, just go the up this one. License is just check that one. Upper one. Check the upper one. No, no, no. Check the upper one. There is licenses. No, no, no. There is a checkbox there up.
This one, I click it down. Or
No,
this?
no. I don't know. I cannot annotate here. So I don't know how to show you. There is select license. You see, select licenses. The first one, check that.
Select the license, this one?
Yeah, check this one. Check it. Yeah,
Yes.
now it's next. You don't need any activation key. Yeah, now next. Yeah, what is this? Yeah, yeah. Yes, next. Okay, it will do. Okay, you will be able to do it.
Okay.
Yeah, now you have to install Simulink. Okay, 1 minute.
Simulate.
See, check this one. Okay, then go check this one. Check it.
Yes.
Tick it. Okay, then go down. 5G toolbox also. Go down. Communication toolbox. This communication toolbox. And then
Yes.
signal processing toolbox. Go down. Signal processing. DSP toolbox was there. So you have, okay. You
Okay.
have to actually let me try it in the chat. You need all these things. ESP toolbox, and then signal processing toolbox. This you need. Okay.
Okay.
Check these boxes and go forward. Okay.
Miss, can I share my screen to see the MATLAB?
Yes, share your screen.
Is it this, Miss? Miss? Miss?
شكله معلق عندها.
Yeah, okay, yes. So, okay, what you want to do here?
This is the MATLAB. I will write the code here.
No. First of all, you are not signed in.
I'm signed, but I already have a MATLAB before, but I reset only the password.
Okay, so this one, sign in, you have to sign in, and then you will be able to use the.
I already signed in.
No, you are not, because it's here. It's showing that sign in here. At the right side on the top, you see that you are not signed in. When you will sign in, then you will see these features. For example,
I can't see now the picture. There have no picture. You make hash.
you see this is sign
Yes,
in.
okay.
I'm sign in and then open MATLAB online from here, and yeah, actually this takes so much time. That's why I recommend you to install this MATLAB in your laptop, because to me it immediately opens that. It doesn't make any problem to me. So okay, let's see if, okay, it will take some time. So let's do our work, and then I will get back to you, Mariam. Okay. So okay, and then with the arrow key you can recall your statements, you can recall your command history, right? I just showed you. Then okay, and then what is the benefit of using M file? Actually, which file we will be using? .mlx we will be using. Okay, this M file is old one now. Okay, we will be using new one. So MATLAB commands can be written in a separate file. Yes, that's what I saw. And then we can track the error. That also we saw. I made error and then I was able to track it. And then allow the user to edit commands and run the file again. Yes, I edit the error. I finished the error and then I was able to run the command again. And then more options to execute the commands. Okay. The user can write more than one M file simultaneously. How? I show you. For example, if I have one file, I can just press this plus button. I can have another file. Then I can press this button. Again, I will have another file. It means that I can work on many files at the same time. This is the benefit of using editor. Okay, you get my point? In the exam, if I ask you a theoretical question, what is the benefit of using the editor, MATLAB editor? What you will say? Anyone?
We can put a lot of files in the same way.
Yes, we can write the
Writing
code, we
text.
can track the errors. Yes.
Writing text.
Yes, writing text, writing code, and then tracking the error. So these are the, and then we can save the file also for future use. A lot of options you can write, right? And let's go. Now I showed you how to create a new script. This is to create M file, and then this is to create MLX file. We will be using this, okay? We will not be using this, okay? And you will always submitting your files also in this one. I will upload the file and you have to just write in that and then submit. Then how to save the file? You already know you have to click this icon, and then you have to save, and then you wherever you want to save it, you can select the folder from here. Then for the saving, then there should be not any space between the, for example, you cannot write like this lab1. This space you cannot leave it empty. You have to put underscore here. Then .m. Then you will be able to save the file. .m is the extension. Then there should be no space in the file name, and then file extension is m. So let's solve the first example. So you see that we have to plot the function sine of x on the interval 0 to 2 pi. Is anyone familiar with this plotting the sine function on MATLAB? Anyone? Anyone tell me. So I tell you. What is the first step? When you see something, you have to put it in the steps. The first step is define the interval. How you define the interval in MATLAB? So you see this variable is x. It means my interval will be dependent on x. 0, 0.01, 2 into pi. I cannot write in MATLAB like this 0, 1, 2 pi. I cannot write because there is a method to write. I have to write it like this 0, 1, 2 into pi. Because MATLAB will understand this. MATLAB will not understand it. Okay, this is cross for MATLAB. Okay.
Miss,
And what is this?
What is 1 or 0.01?
Yeah. This is the increment. How? For example, I plot here. This is my x-axis, and then here I put 1, 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. So the space between here is my interval, is my increment. How I want my signal to jump from here and there. If I will choose one point here, okay, in the middle, how my signal will jump? My signal will jump like this, come here, then jump like this, come here. But if I put many intervals between it, my signal will be smooth, a smooth wave, not sharp, a smooth wave I will get. You get my point?
Yes.
So this will tell
we will
how. Sorry?
We can decide what's the number,
Yes.
right?
Yes, you will decide. But if you want your signal to look very smooth and good, a smooth waveform, for that you have to define this interval very, very small. Then you will get if you define this interval very, very big, for example, here like this, and then 2 pi is coming here, your waveform will jump here and here. So this is not sine. This is triangle. This is a triangular function. But if you choose your interval like this, 2 pi is here, and then you choose very, very, very small intervals between. So your points will be like this, and then you will get a very smooth curve. Okay, so you have to choose it. Okay.
Yes.
Get the idea? Okay.
Clear.
So, yeah. Step 1 is to define the interval. So, interval, how I define for? Because I see the sign is dependent on x. So, x will be my interval, 0. I choose very small interval because I want my waveform to be smooth. And then this semicolon, so that my answer is not going to the command window. If I remove this column, then I will see all my answers in the command window. Then what is the next step? Step 2. Anyone?
I think the function.
Function, yes. Function is with variable f. So f is equal to sine of x. This is the built-in function in the MATLAB. So you can use it as it is. Okay. Now, what is my next step? My next step is to plot it, because it says plot the function. Plot with
F?
respect to x.
Okay.
No, x,
X.
because interval is the first step. Also in the plot, interval will be written first. Then f. And then this will give us the plot. Let's do it in the MATLAB. Let's go to the MATLAB. Let's go to the MATLAB. Okay. And for your section, I made this file. Okay. So this is the question. Okay, what is the first step? Anyone tell me? I just did it in the PowerPoint. Define.
X interval.
Define the interval. X is equals to what?
0.
0 colon.
Column 0.001. Okay.
Okay.
Column 2
0.001. 2
multiply
into
5.
yeah. Yes. And then next step is define the function.
Sine
Sine of
x.
Then plot.
Then plot
How?
xf.
Yes. And then run it. You will see your answer here. See? Are you guys doing it with me?
No, where we can see the lab examples.
Lab examples are already in the Moodle, but I want you to do it with me. So
We
don't
have
go to the
other
examples.
questions.
Yes.
We have other questions than you.
Yeah, please ask me what. Yes.
Miss, the question that we have is not like you.
Okay, share me your screen.
Yes, Miss. Okay.
Share me your screen. This is assessment. This is the assessment. Okay, one minute. I upload this. Actually, it's here in the Moodle, but it's already solved. I don't want you to use the solved one. I can upload this for you.
Teach us how to solve on the lab assessment. The same thing?
Same thing, yes. This is lab 1 examples.
Can you just show us how to solve the first one at least?
I just did it in front of you.
No, not
You
the
see?
examples, the lab assessment.
If I tell you how to solve the lab assessment, then
No, I mean
okay.
just write the code or what? Or copy paste
Write
it?
the code. Yeah, write the code only, nothing else. And but with the comments. For example, okay, what I am doing here, how for example, okay, I did it with you. You know that what I am doing, but some new person is coming. How he will know what I am doing? So I should write the comments so that he know. Defining scale for.
Can you just share your screen, please?
Sorry. Okay, my screen is not shared. So, for example, if I write something here, and if some person is coming inside, and then he will see this code, he will be confused. He said, "What are you doing? I don't understand anything." So we have to write the comments. Okay, defining x-axis or scale, right? For function. Okay. Then what this is. Defining the function, then this plotting f or function plotting sine function. So I want you to write this so that I know what you are doing.
And then we copy this and paste it on the page.
No, no, no. You
Ah.
don't have to copy. Okay, you see, this is the assessment you will download from the Moodle, right? You will
Okay.
have this, right?
Yes.
And then I wrote that, okay, write your code here. For example, remove this. Not. Okay. Write your code here. Okay. Put one space, enter. Okay. And then define, first step is to define A. Okay. A is equals to here actually. A is equals to some matrix. Okay. Some matrix. This one. I will tell you how to write the matrix. Then B is equals to this one you will define, and then C is equals to, and then you will run it, and then you will get your. I just want this from you. Not a big
Okay.
thing.
Running at the same place, run
Run at the same place, you will get your answer here. Yes,
And
as I
save-
run here.
and save
You
it.
see, I save it. Yes.
Okay.
You have to save it from here because this is already ready-made file. You
Okay.
don't have it. You don't need to do it save as or something. You just have to press this. That's it.
Okay, clear.
Nothing else. Okay, just follow my lecture and then you will understand, because the assessment is something else. I will tell you. I will not be like this that I don't discuss the assessment. I will discuss the assessment with you. Okay, so we are running out of time. We just have 1 hour left, and then okay. So did you get this result?
For me, yes.
And what about others? Mariam, did you get the result? Hello, Mariam.
No, miss, not yet.
Yeah, because you see my online, this is also not working still. So still this is
Yeah,
like
I'm
this.
trying.
Yeah, because MATLAB online will be like this. So if you want MATLAB online, you have to open it before the lab starts, because then it takes a lot of time. Yeah, okay, now it opens. Did you get this window?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, then you have to upload your file from here, and then you can start working on it. Okay, so examples are already posted on the Moodle. You can download this example, you can upload it here, and then you can start working on it. Okay,
Miss,
here, yes,
can you see?
yeah, share me.
This.
Show me the code. Yes, this is okay. Show me the code. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, but you are doing it in M file. Okay, for your work is fine, but if you do it in MLX, then that is you will learn. But anyway, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay,
Okay?
I'll save it in ML. Okay, thank you.
Fine, no problem. So, okay, let's do another example. So, we just did this. Define the interval. We did it. Increment, final value. We know that. Okay, we defined the scale, and then we defined the function, number 2 step, and then this is our complete code, and we got this result. Yes. Okay, now plotting the discrete time signal. So tell me how we can plot the discrete time signal. How we can plot a discrete time signal? Anyone? Because I use the plot command. It plot like this. Now I want a plot like this. I want this sine wave like this. How I can do that?
I think there is a command called discrete or something.
Yes. There is a command called stem.
Stamp, yes.
If I do stem x comma f, then it will plot the same function in discrete domain. Let's do it here in the file. Stem, same function, x comma f. Okay, so we have to give it another name because now this is confused now. So for example, n is equals to, so actually we have to do it here. N is equals to, for this example we do, okay? Because now there are 2f, now it is confused. So we have to solve this example. We have to define the scale for n is equals to minus 20 to 20, and then x of n, n means discrete, okay? Now how we will do it? Same, first number step 1 is define interval, n is equals to minus 20, and maybe you can put same 1. Okay, in discrete it doesn't matter if you put small interval or big, so it's better that you put 1 and 20. So anyone, can you tell me, sorry, what?
It's a pulse. We don't need, I think, interval.
Yeah, we don't need. So if I write this, or if I write this, what is the difference?
The amplitude will be on 1.
No,
On
what is the
where?
difference between these two? What is the difference? So they are same. Yes. So they are same because if you don't put anything between the intervals, then there it will automatically, MATLAB will take it as a increment of 1. Okay. So the your mic, you are
سعود صوتك مو واضح ترى ما حد
yeah,
قاعد يسمع.
your internet is very slow. Okay, so MATLAB will automatically take it as 1. Okay, so my first step is to define the interval, then define the signal, and then stem. Let's do it in MATLAB. So this is a question, example number 2. N is equals to minus 20 to 20, right? And then what is the function n? X is equals to sine of n. Okay. Then stem n comma x, right? Let's plot it. So you will get this result. Okay. All right.
Okay. If we solve a lot of problems, the plots will be at the same page, right?
Yes, all will be. This is the good thing about MLX, that you will get all the plots here. You will not get a lot of different figures, because in editor you get a lot of different figures, but with MLX you will see your result in front of the code.
Okay. So
This is,
when I press run, we will all the page will be run.
yes, and you can avoid that to run specific section. Okay, I just want this section to run. I will just click it and then I will run this section. Now it will only run this section, so it will be more quick. If I want all the code to run, I press run. You see it will start from here and it will be running. But if you run one section, you can do it from here.
Clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. If some of the students, because I see that now there are 16 students, if some of the students are leaving early, I will mark them as absent. You have to be here with me for 2 hours. Okay. So I see that 2 students left, and then I get the Zoom meeting time all the time. And then I will see if student is leaving early, then I will mark absent without any reason if they are leaving. So just convey this message to them. Okay, so next let's go to the other one. We know now that how to write the code to get some good curve. Now, you know, we can write here axis, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and also we can write the title here. How to write in the MATLAB? You have the command for writing x label or x-axis is x label, and then the command for writing y-axis is y label, and then title is it's written title, and then in the brackets you put this, and then this grid will create a grid. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, okay, actually I had to delete it. Okay, so let's come here. For example, now I want to put label for this here and here. How I will do? X label and then double commas. Double commas. For example, values and values.
Discrete values or n values.
Yeah, okay. Okay, and values. Then y label. And then this commas.
Y-axis.
Okay, yeah, or plot of sine of x. SINE sine of x. Okay. Then title is
Example 2.
yeah, example 2 or discrete plot for anything sine of x. Okay, if you run this, you will see now plots here. The discrete, this is the title, this is the plot of sine of x, and then these are the n values. Okay, and then if you for this you don't need legend, but for this you need not legend, that was grid. If you put grid on, then it will create a grid. So see this, it created a grid here. For discrete you don't need, because then you will be confused. And you can also put good labels across here. I cannot annotate here. See, here you can also put some good labels like name or something. So how can you do that? You can put LEGEND. Legend is sine so if you run, see, you get this legend here. Okay, all of you get the idea?
Yes.
Now you can also do some other things. You can change, you can make your graph more beautiful by putting some colors. How you will do? You will insert 2 commas, and then, for example, if I choose red, this will make this graph to look red. See, now graph is changed to red. Okay, if I put dashes here, this will change to dots. See, now, so you can play with it like this. Okay, so this is the labels for X label, Y label. So anything you want to write inside, it's up to you, right? And if you want to put some mathematical operator, you have to put this slash and then it will take it as 2 pi. For example, here you see this take the axis as 2 pi, but in the X label I wrote it like this. So this front slash if you put and then put pi, it will take it as like this. So this is one more thing. So this is the label, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. Now you can change the color. I just did that, and then these are different colors you can put for your graphs. For example, y is for yellow, m is for this color, I don't know this color, and then c is for this color, red for r for red, g for green, b for blue, and actually default is blue. By default it is blue. Even if you don't write b, it will take it as blue. W for white and K for black. You get it? So I just did this step and then I showed you. I just did this. Okay. Okay, now plotting multiple pair arguments create multiple graphs with a single call to plot. Okay, it means that, for example, I have this plot, right? And this is my one graph. Are you following me? Are you following me? Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So now, if, for example, my plot is this, and I want another plot on this graph, like this, I want another one in this color, right? I can do that on the same, how? I can do this on the same graph, how? I will write plot x comma f comma, this is in red color, so 2 commas r, then again comma, then what is my other? For example, other is n comma x was my another graph, and then I can put it in green, and then this command will give me 2 plots on the same figure. Okay, understand? So see this, for example, I have 2 functions, okay, and then the interval is here. So tell me what is the first step. This is another example. Tell me what is the first step.
The intervals.
Intervals, yes. What is the interval in terms of? In terms of this signal?
X
Yes, yes. So x is
equal to 0.
2. So this is sine, so I want waveform to be smooth. So it should be a small, and then 2 multiplied by
multiplied by
5. Yes. Now the next step.
function of x, sine x.
Yes. F is fun.
Yeah.
F is equals to
Sine x.
sine of x. Okay. Now another
Y.
function is also function of x. So it means I don't have to define scale again. Same scale will work. Now define the other function. Y is equals to
Y sine
of x
x minus
pi divided by 4.
4. Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Right? Now how I will plot it? Plot x comma f comma red. I give red color to this. I give green to this. Comma x
Y,
comma y.
F.
Sorry, what?
Y,
Y.
F. Yes. Y.
Y. The second function is y, and then green.
Yes.
This will give me both plot in one file, one figure. Okay. See this? First, I defined the scale. He just take 0.01. I was taking even small interval 0.001. Then first function sine of x, second function, and then this one. And also, I put red for r and then green, but he put double dash, so his graph will be like this, and then this will be even smaller one. So this will be the shifted one, like this, very small dots. Okay. So let's see this. Actually, I will just copy it now because then I will not be able to catch all the things. So this is the okay. Okay, if I run it, you will see. See, both plots are the same but different starting values. You can even change it like this, R, and then this green. Run it. See this. Okay. So can anyone show me their work? Because I think the class is very silent and you are not following me.
I'm following you.
I'm
Okay.
following you.
Yeah, I want to see your work. Can you show me?
Can you wait a minute?
Yes. So let me ask someone name from here. Zainab. Zainab, can you show me your work?
Yes, Miss, I am with you, but I don't have my computer now I will
What
do-
happened?
because I am outside the home.
But this is not good. I mean, you are in the class time, you
I
are
know,
outside.
but it's important with my children.
Okay, okay,
Appointment.
okay. Dana, can you show me your screen? Okay, no problem. Dana,
Thank
can
you.
you show me your screen? Dana, are you here? So if you are not showing me your screen, then you don't have any reason, but I will accept the reasons only for this first lab. But I will not accept your reasons in the next. You have to fill your problems yourself. Yes, Dana, can you share me your screen? Hello. So, okay, I write your name and I will deduct your marks for class participation. And you remember that class participation marks are 4 marks. It's a huge difference. Okay. So, Ibtihal, can you show me your screen?
Wait, miss.
Yes.
Do you see?
Okay, let me, yes. Okay. But these are the examples.
Yes, miss.
This is the examples file because I can see my first curve. It's dark. I want to see because you see my first curve is not dark. This is like this. So these are the examples.
Okay, I will do it. Miss, I have a question.
Yes.
Are we supposed to solve the lab assessment or examples?
Examples is for your understanding.
Yeah, because
That's
it's
why
already
I
solved, right?
Yeah, I already solved them for your understanding because you will take the reference from the examples and then you will solve your lab.
Okay, so now we're working on the lab assessment, right?
Yes, you have to work on the lab assessment, but with me, you have to work on the examples. Because then if you have any questions, if you have any problems, then you understand.
But already you solved it.
Yeah, they already solved.
The
How come?
example.
Yeah, I
How can
already
you
solved,
solve
but
it?
here I am again solving with you.
So we resolved them? We write it again or what?
I mean, with me, you write it again so that if there are some errors are coming or something is happening to you, okay, from the next class, I will change your examples and I will change my 2 sections
No,
examples,
no,
okay?
because I was really confused what to do because they were already solved.
But why you are confused? I am doing in front of you because I did all these examples. I did, and then what I did, I just removed them. What I did in front of you, I removed them and then I resolved. You can also
Yeah.
remove them and then you can solve.
Yeah, true, but I thought you just telling us how to do them. I
No,
didn't
no, no.
have to
I
do it
want you
again.
to do it with me.
Yeah,
Okay,
but I'm
from the
sorry,
next time,
because-
I will change your examples, okay? I will put, because your class is on Wednesday, I have another class on Monday, so I do their work before you. So I will change your examples, okay? And we will be solving the examples in the class.
Okay, sorry. Thank you.
But there will be another thing for your class. You have to take reference from the examples of section 1 and 2. The class will be on Monday. And then I will be asking you a lot of questions from the examples, because we will be solving different examples for your class. Because then I will know that you got the file on Monday, and then you will be ready for the solving the examples with me.
Miss, so
So we
don't
have-
change. So don't change the examples for us. Make it the same, but make it blank, not solved.
But you guys are not doing it with me. I mean, this is very
we
disappointing.
No,
didn't-
because it's
For
our
the first time, we
and-
didn't understand you.
Yeah.
But all of you see, I just called Dana's name, I think, and then she showed me my example.
Even me, if
No,
you
I
want
think
me
it
to
was
share for
someone
you,
else.
I will show you your example. So we didn't know. For the
No,
next
don't
time,
show me my examples, because I can see that because immediately this is my work, so I will understand, okay, what is my work, what is the student work, because
Miss, now we
immediately I
didn't
recognize my plot.
Now we understand you, but before that, we didn't know how to do
Yes.
it for real.
Miss,
Okay,
don't make
okay,
it
no
very hard
problem
on
for
us.
today,
Just,
but
please,
I
easy.
will change
for
your
us.
questions for the.
Don't
Sorry?
change the examples. Make it the same, but a blank with no solving.
Yeah,
We will solve it
exactly.
together.
But I have to put,
Yes,
because
miss.
I solve it with you.
no,
Yes,
but
we are
there's a problem. Yes, you're a human, but I am also human. I want you to learn. That is my goal.
Just
That
make
is my
it easy
objective,
on
and that
us,
is my job.
Miss Maria. Just make it easy on us. Nothing more.
But I want you to participate with me, please.
We will.
Because
Yes, we will.
believe
wallah.
me, it's not easy to talk for 2 hours. Believe me.
We understand. We are also employees, and we
So,
are.
but
grown
so
enough.
if I get output from you, then I will be very, very happy, because I really put so much effort to do all these examples, to make the questions, and I really want a huge response from you. You see, I was just calling Dana and she was not even answering me.
Okay,
This
Miss,
is
can you
this
just-
is
I'm here.
no, no. I am talking about Dana Talal.
Miss,
طولوا بالكم
Yes.
شوية.
Okay, okay.
Miss, I write in the chat.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Can you show me your screen?
Okay.
Because then it's very disappointing for me.
Miss me, Dana?
Yes.
I'm Mace. I'm share my screen.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. This is good. Okay. Perfect. But okay. Are you following me exactly? Yes. Excellent. Yes. Yes. So okay. Your class participation is okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Perfect. Yes. You're doing in the M file. Okay. I can see that. Fatima, can you share me your screen? Fatima.
Yes, I will.
Yeah, please. Yes. If you go up, can you go up? Yeah, again, this is my file. So, okay, from the next time, you can take reference from the my file. Okay, this time I don't do anything to you, because I uploaded the file, and then okay, you're downloading, and then you're not solving the example. From the next class, your examples will be changed, and you will be doing that with me, and also you will be taking the reference from the previous sections. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay.
That's
So it
better.
will not be difficult. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
So because I am solving with you, so there will be no problem. So so let's go to the next one. We just did this one. Okay, we solved this problem, and then I showed you that okay, we put it red and green, and also we can put these also, so
Miss,
that
can
our
you share
graph
your
will be
screen,
look
please?
different. What?
Share your screen.
Ah, sorry. We just did this example, right? Now we will be plotting sinc function. Okay. So what is the sinc function? What is sinc of t? First of all, what is this? This is t for time domain. Okay. This is time domain, and then this is a time domain function here. In signal processing, in signal and system, you have learned what is sinc function. In frequency domain, what is sinc function? Tell me, anyone. It is a square function in frequency domain. And when you transform it back to time domain, it becomes a sinc function. You remember this?
Yes.
This is across 0. Yes? So this is time domain, okay? And there's a built-in, for you, MATLAB has made everything very easy for you. How? It made built-in functions for all the signals. For sinc, you just have to use sinc, and then it will plot this good function. Okay, so let's start it. First of all, what we have to do is we have to define the time interval. Okay, this is an example. Plot the function f of t is equal to sinc of t on the interval this in red color. Okay, and set the increment to 0.01. Okay, so he gave all the instructions. What we have to do, we cannot do anything from our own side. Okay, first define the interval. This is a function of t, so t is equals to, tell me, t is equals to -4 multiplied by pi, and then interval he's the increment
0.02, 0.01.
Why? Yeah, 0.01, because he told me that you have to stick to it. You cannot use your own interval.
Yes.
Then 4 into pi, then semicolon. Then next step, this is step number 1. Step number 2 is define the function. F is equals to
Sinc
of t. Yes, excellent. And then plot. Very simple. T, comma f, and which color? He told the color also.
Red.
Red. How? These two commas are. This is very simple. Let me erase this. Okay. See, and then labels also. You know how to put the labels. So our function, our main code is until here. This is all the cosmetics. How your graph should look. So this is all cosmetic, but the main function is until here. Okay, and then if you will plot it, it will look like this. All right. Do you have any question from it? So let's do it together. So let's do it together. Okay, here you see, right? T is equals to. Let me turn on the light. I was so busy with you guys that I forgot to even turn on the light. -4 multiplied by pi, then 0.01, then 4. Can you listen to me?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes.
Then next one, f is equals to sinc of t, right? and plot T with respect to F. Then what? X label. X label should be always in the commas, okay. X values, okay, whatever.
Miss, every plot you want us to label it?
Yes, and also comments.
Ah, okay.
Comments like this. Defining the scale, okay. Percent defining or initializing
You need
or
the comment.
yeah, storing the sync function in F. Anything you can write, because you can not stick to only one thing. Okay, you can try to make me understand that yes, we are doing some effort. Okay, then Y label. Okay, maybe Y values. Then what? Then we can put maybe title. Title is plotting sync function in red. Maybe you can just write this with an increment of 0. Anything you can from your mind you can write. Then legend. What is the legend? Sync. Sync function. Okay. Let's run it. Maybe it will give me some error, but let's see. Yeah, because I cannot, in the built-in function, I can not write it like this. Okay, this is D. Let's see if it will work. Yeah, see? Okay, I didn't plot it in red because he asked me in red. So R, okay? Right? Can you guys show me your work? I cannot see my watch.
Miss,
Okay. Yes.
I cannot share my work because I'm still, I have a problem with MATLAB, but I'm with you step by step.
But why you have still problem? Because my MATLAB opened in front of you.
Yeah, Miss, but the problem maybe before sign in, I don't know. I delete it and put it again. It's same.
But why? I mean, I in my case, I made my account here, and then I never log it out. I never log it out because I know that I don't use it. Yeah.
With online MATLAB.
Yeah, but don't log it out. I mean, I never, because I don't use MATLAB online. But when student ask me, I have to tell them, and sometimes I also can forget my password. So in front of student, I have to make it active all the time. So because I don't use it, I don't have so many files here. I always use MATLAB, this one. But I need to show you also that how to work with MATLAB online. So I use it also. Just to show you guys, I don't use it. So, okay. So Ibtihal, can you show me your work?
Yes, I didn't finish yet. Miss, wait.
Didn't,
Give me a
okay.
few minutes.
Abdullah, can you show me your work? You're just down there under my name. Abdullah, are you here?
Yes, me, doctor.
Yeah, I want to see your sync graph.
Doctor, I didn't use the the MATLAB. I'm downloading it on my computer still.
You're still downloading. Can you show me? Can you show
Yeah,
me
one
the
second.
download process? Yes, Abdullah, can you show me your download process? Okay, I log out. 1 minute, Noora. Yes, Abdullah, can you show me your download process? Okay, meanwhile,
didn't,
Noora, show
download
me.
No, I didn't download it. I'm trying to, but I don't know how. I'll watch the video after.
But it's not a big process. I mean, I just showed you how to do it.
Miss,
I just showed
need
you.
to see the record.
Which
Maybe
record you want to see?
the same video. Maybe I make a mistake. I don't know. So I want to see the record after the lecture.
But if these excuses are in the next class, straight away I will deduct 4 marks. Today, okay, I will not. Okay, you have, this is your first class. This is your first. I want to be easy with you. But in the next class, believe me, if you guys don't share your screen and you get, and this excuse, I don't want to listen in the next class that, okay, I have problem with the MATLAB. Because
Yes.
you will have 1 full week. Okay?
Can I
Yeah.
share?
Can I share my screen?
Okay,
I have
yes.
some problem.
Okay, no problem for today's problems, but there should be not any problem in the next class, please.
Miss, can I share?
Yes, yes. So it's okay for today, but for the next class, it's not okay. Because then it will be not okay for you guys, because you will straight away losing 4 marks. So if you get
Miss,
6
can I
marks
share?
out of 10 in the report, so it will be 60% only.
Miss, I can't share
Yes.
while you're sharing.
Yeah, okay. Share now. Yes.
Miss, can
Yeah.
I share?
Yes. Perfect. Yeah, I like this kind of effort from you guys. I really want this. I don't want you to be expert, but at least follow me. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, Miss.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Can I
Yes,
share?
Noora. Yeah, 1 minute. Noora wants to ask something.
Miss, can I share?
Yes, yes. Yes. Yeah. Noora, I really like your effort because I know you created your own MLX file. You didn't work on my examples.
Yes.
I want this kind of effort from you guys, that at least you are working from something from your own, not on the things which I am sharing. You see, Noora, she is sharing her screen, and then I can see that she wrote all these things in front of me. And then she differentiated all the code. So I want this kind of effort from you guys. Okay? Yes, Noora, excellent. Yes, who wanted to share? Yes, Mahmoud, you wanted to share your screen.
Yes.
Yeah, yes. Yeah, and also try to write the comments.
Okay.
Yes, X, Y, sync. Yes, excellent. Perfect. Yes. So let's go to the matrix because we just have 30 minutes. So I just show you how we will be doing matrices. Okay. So here is the matrix. So I will not go to the slides because it will take time. At the end, we will see the slides. Okay. So for writing the matrix in MATLAB, it's very simple. A is equals to, you have to write these parentheses. Yes, 1 space 2, 3, and then semicolon, 4, 5, 6 semicolon. This is also in your assessment also, so you should focus on it. 7, 8, and 10. Right? Okay. Now, why I put the colon, semicolon? Because it will make the element in the second row. It will put the elements in the second row. B is equals to, okay, 1 space 2 space 3 semicolon 9 8. Oh, sorry. Yes. 9 8 7 and then 6 2 7. Right? Semicolon. Can anyone tell me why I put semicolon here? Anyone?
To
Because
be in
it's
the
an empty
memory.
function.
Sorry? What?
To be in the memory.
No, to remove it from here. So that if I don't put colon here, it will make my output very ugly. All the things will be coming here. See, for example, if I run this, you will see that these matrices will coming here. Will be, you see, I don't want them to come here. I just want the answer to be here, not these. Okay, if for example here, if I choose this, I remove this column, you will see that all these things will be coming in my answer also.
So the
See?
answer will
You
be
see?
in the memory.
Yes, in the memory, and then it will be displayed here in my result, and it doesn't look nice.
Okay.
I just want the answer. I just want the final answer. So I put, to avoid this, you see, I will avoid this so that this should be removed. Now, if I will run, this will be removed. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now I have to get, for example, C variable is equal to A plus B, capital B. Now I will not put semicolon here because I want to see this result. I want to see it here. Okay, what is the multiplication of, what is the summation of A matrix and B? If I run this section, then you can see, yeah, see, addition is done by like this, 1 plus 1, then 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3, like this. 4 plus 9 is 13, 5 plus 8, like this. Matrix addition is done like this. Now I want multiplication. So can anyone tell me how I will write a matrix? Tell me.
A equal
Yes.
1 space 2 space 3.
Yes, then
Semicolon.
Semicolon 4 5
4 space 5 space 6.
and then 7 8 10. Right?
Yes.
E equals
1 2 4
4
semicolon
8 7.
9 8 7.
Yes. And then how the matrix multiplication is done? Can anyone remember?
Row by column, I think.
Yes, excellent. First row will be multiplied with the first column, then second row will be multiplied with second column, third row will be multiplied with third column, and then in between them addition, right? So I write one at least. Okay, for example, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. 18, and then 3 multiplied by 6 is 18.
18.
So 18 plus 1 is 37. Right? Is it?
16. Yes.
This will multiply with this.
Yes.
Now this Now this will be multiplied with this. 4 2s are
2,
8. 4 2s
8,
are 8. First row,
5,
first column, plus.
40.
Sorry, what?
5 with 8, 40.
No, first row, then this. Now with the second. 1 into 2.
Ah, okay, yes.
Yeah, second. First row with second column, then first row with third. So it's like this.
Yes.
So 1 into 2 plus 2 into 8, 16.
16
Plus
and 4.
3 into
4.
3. No,
And
6.
3 to 2, 6.
Plus 6. So it is 16, 18, and then
24.
24. Right? And similarly, first row, third column. 1 into 4, 4, plus 2 into 7, 14,
14.
plus
21.
21. And then add it. 14 plus 4 is 18, and 18 plus 21 is
15, 9.
1 and 45, right? It's 20, 21.
Why?
And then this is 18. So 2 or 2, 1, 3, and 4, 45.
49.
39.
No, 45.
39. 39.
Oh, yes. No, not 39. So this is 8 plus 7. 15, 5, and then 1 is here. 1, 2, and 4. 45. Yeah, this is 45. So, yes. So this is, and then next also will be like this, but MATLAB will do it automatically. Okay. This is the manual. So let me clear this and write it here. So then C is equals to, and how I want this point to point multiplication is A, capital A dot, then B. This will give me my result. I have to put dot operator here so that I can get. Okay, yes. So this do point to point multiplication. It doesn't do the matrix multiplication, which is actually in matrices. So what it does is, okay, but this MATLAB does is, okay, it multiply 1 with 1, 1. Then 2 with 2, 4. 4 with 3, 12. So it multiplies point with point. It doesn't take one row, one column, one row, second column like this. It doesn't actually multiply as the original multiplication of matrices is done. It multiplies point to point, element to element. It also does addition, element to element. If I ask you how MATLAB do the addition or multiplication, so you will, though your answer will be that it does the addition and multiplication point by point, element by element. Okay, it will not do the multiplication as the matrices actually are.
Miss, I have a question. Why you put dot?
Yeah, this dot is for element to element multiplication.
Okay. Without
otherwise
dot?
This will give me error, because MATLAB cannot multiply matrices as the way they are.
So any multiplication, I must put dot.
Yes.
Okay.
And for division also. For division also you have to put dot.
Yes.
Otherwise MATLAB will give you error. Okay. So then let's move to the, okay. So this is the last one. How much time we have? We have 15 minutes. Okay, quickly we will do it. Okay, now this is my another question. Let me do it from the slides. Actually, for the other class, I was able to do it in the class, but today, okay, let's do it. So now you have to tell me what is x of t and what is r of t. Okay, where is x of t in this block diagram? In this block diagram, where is x t?
It's up.
Here. Okay, it means that there is a signal.
Multiply and plus.
This is output xt. So there are two signals coming inside it because this is a multiple operator. One is this function sine t and other is sine 10t. 10t. It means I have to multiply with them together and then I will get xt, right? Then rt is equals to what is coming inside plus? So now it's
E
xt and then e
exponential
0.01 t. So rt is equals to xt plus exp because MATLAB doesn't know what is e, and then 0.001 multiplied by t. Then I will plot them. Plot first t with x, with r xt, and then plot t with rt. We have to plot it. Okay, let me clear this. So this is, and then he plotted on the same. I plotted differently, like separately, but it's possible. This is for the first one, and then this is for the second one. So this is for the red color. This is for another color. I forgot the name. Okay. So this is simple. Yes, Oru.
Miss, can I show you?
Yes. Did you do this this one?
Number 5, just.
Okay. Show me. Yes. Yeah. Excellent. Yes.
Can I
That's
share?
good. Yes, Dana. Yes, Dana. Yes, Dana, you didn't put. Okay, yes, this is good. Yes. Yeah. Perfect. Excellent. Your name actually I already written here, Dana. If you can see me, you already got this.
Where is my
So,
name?
I remember your name. Don't worry. Because today everyone will get 4 marks, but some of the Mahmoud, I remember you because you are very active in all the class. So don't worry. Noora also. So I remember. Because the students who are so much active in the class, I will remember them. Because she showed me her work, and then she was the first one who showed me her work, so I write her name. So anyway, let's. Did you understand this last one?
Yes, I just saw the lab assessment. We have here 2 variables.
Yes.
X of t and r of t, I think.
Mm-hmm.
But in the
Yes.
lab assessment, there's only the output.
No, it's not possible. What is there? Yeah, this is the example, right? And I have the assessment also here. It's not solved. Yeah, this is here. Yes.
Look, we only have x of t.
I tell you, I give you a hint about it. Okay, so using the block, plot the following using MATLAB code. First of all, write signal A. Where is signal A? A is here.
Yes.
Right? So A is equals to 3 multiplied by sine of t. Now, this is my first step. Okay.
Yeah.
Then my second, 1 minute actually. So also my second step is define B. And but I have to define T also because I am using. So 0 to, for example, 1 up to 10, it's up to you. Whatever scale you want to define. Okay. Or you can take help from the reference. So here, okay, I didn't do it here. So For me, here I defined the time interval 0 pi by 100 to 2 pi. So it's up to you because this is sine function, this is periodic function. So you don't have to put the scale like 1, 2 up to 10. You have to tell me because sine wave always travel in intervals. So pi, 2 pi. So you have to define it like this. Okay. Then where is my MATLAB? Okay. So I annotate. Okay. So first is, where is B?
Down.
Actually, this is now, my assessment is here. Annotate. Okay. So B is this. You will define B. Okay. Then what is happening?
Addition.
This, I didn't tell what is single. So you can name it any name. Maybe P. P is equals to, what is happening? A plus B.
Creating a variable.
Yeah, create a variable.
Okay.
Write the signal. Okay. I wrote the signal. Now, what is happening now here? XT. What is XT? XT is equals to 3.1 multiplied by P.
Yes.
Right? And then plot. Okay. And what is the plot? Plot the three signals in one figure. One figure. You have to plot the three signals in one figure. In one figure, I want to see all the three signals. Okay, which three signals? Which three signals are here?
A, B,
A, B, and this.
Oh, XT.
XT. Yes?
Yeah.
This, you don't have to plot P. B, A. Okay? Understand?
Yes.
So, okay, so this is all about today class. For the next class, please be active with me and try to follow me. And I will put separate file for you, okay, for the next class, so that you guys can follow me. Okay?
Miss, I asked you to share many times. You didn't give me any chance.
Yes, Heather. Heather, show me.
Yes.
Yes, share with me.
The submission will be till which date?
3 days from today. It's only 2 questions. I mean, you will just do it in maybe 15 minutes.
Okay.
This one.
Yes. Yes. Yes, I can. Yes.
Okay.
Heather, you want to share your screen?
I share.
Is this was you?
Yes.
Now
Okay.
this. Now this. me.
Yes.
This was me. Now I'm sharing.
Yeah,
my
this was not Heather because this was
Mace.
I will share again. I share now. Again.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. I couldn't see yours. Yes. And but this is for the sync function, right?
Yes.
Yeah. But how about the block
Miss,
diagram?
can I share?
No.
1 minute.
I not done of it.
1 minute. You didn't do it yet?
No, miss.
Okay, no problem. Okay. But for today, no problem because I was instructing you a lot and then that's why I ran out of time. But for the next week class, I will need your effort to solve because in the next class, we will be solving some signals which are the basic signals in signal systems. So I want you to learn them because you will be using those signals in all your life in communication engineering. Okay, so be very, very fast with me. Okay, from the next. Yes, yes, Ibtihal, you wanted to share. Yes, so this is matrices. Yeah, yes. Yes, did you do the block diagram?
For number 6, not yet, Miss.
Okay, no problem, because I also did it very quickly. So also I just did it on the slides. So, okay, so today is done and not deducting any marks for today class because this is your introduction class. I don't want to be hard with you on the very first lecture. But from the next one, I really want your participation, okay? And also I want you to be fast with me, because we have to do a lot of signals in 2 hours. So I want you to be fast with me, okay?
Miss, I have a question.
Okay, so yes, Miles.
The folder, the lab, how can I open it? It's not open.
I will fix this. I will go home now and I will fix it tonight.
How
Okay.
How can I submit the
You will download this MLX file, assessment file. You will solve your code and then you will upload with your name. Because I think I put you, yes, there is student
PDF,
name,
right,
student
Miss?
ID. Yes.
PDF?
No. This same MLX.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not open, the MLX.
MLX. Same file.
Yeah, it's open.
Same file which you will download. Just write your code on it and send me. Put your student name and ID, because then if I don't get any student name, then how I will know that who sent this file?
I'm trying to open the file. It's not open.
It opens. It doesn't open. Share me your screen.
Okay. You can see I downloaded it down.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Look.
Okay, so because I think you're using online.
Yeah, I'm using online.
So then for the online, I showed some of you in the beginning. You have to load it, upload it in the online. Just go there on the left side of MATLAB. You see there is upload. Just go up. There is an upload button. Save, open. There should be some upload button. Home. Why I can't see your? Okay. Then here upload. Yes, this one upload. Yes. Upload from downloads. Yeah, this
one.
You click. Okay. Press OK. Now it should open. I mean, maybe it came to your directory.
Can we leave, please?
Yes, because I was just okay. So have a nice weekend and then see you in the next class. Okay.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye. Take care.